Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me.
Parrot, feeling very happy. Yes, yes, la la la, dum dee dum.
I cannot hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near me.
No, no, Mr. Puss, you may eat me.
No, my dear, I'm an old cat. I have no teeth. I cannot eat you.
Then here I come. La la la, dum dee dum, la la la.
Well, jump on Parrot and horse him with cows. Now I'm going to eat you.
You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, you must first wash your hands and face. That is what all good cats do.
Just see how fast I wash my face and hands. You stand here and see.
I'm not going to wait for you to eat me up. Here I go. Bye bye.
There is a Mr. Parrot. He flew away.